Nettex have 3 anti-chaff ram harnesses available in nylon, cotton and pedigree, the pedigree having added padding on it. They're fully adjustable to fit any breed of ram. So when you're fitting the harness to the ram, lay it underneath the ram, lift these 2 straps first round the middle of the ram, clip these into position. Don't worry about adjusting it yet, because you can adjust it afterwards once it's in position. These 2 here then go to the corresponding straps which go over the neck, round the neck, cross over to this one, and this one will cross over onto this one. Once you've got it roughly where you want it, you can then start to adjust the harness.